thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all safe and well. Today we're opening up one of my favorite subscriptions, GlobeIn, and this is one I've never opened before, well obviously, but I'm only saying that because I've opened a lot of GlobeIn boxes. I was actually given the opportunity to choose what box I wanted, and I chose one that I think will be great for current times. I know I'm spending a lot of time at home, as most of us are. If you're an essential worker, I've been saying this in all my videos, but I just want to thank you again for everything you're doing. We really appreciate you. But I chose this GlobeIn box because I think it will help me learn new hobbies and, you know, have something to do. So GlobeIn is great. All of their items come from around the world and they're made in different countries where the workers are getting fair wages. It is amazing. And each box you get to learn about where your items came from and who made them, and I just love it. It makes me feel so good. So GlobeIn is $40 and then you do pay I believe $10 in shipping, so it is a little expensive. It's $50. But I love this box and I love that everything inside it is giving back to these very talented people around the world. I do now have a code with GlobeIn to save 50% off your first box, so I will leave that down below, and the link below, you can browse their website and see how many boxes they have. So every month you can choose to get a surprise, so you won't know what box is coming, or you can choose their newest box, so every month they launch something new, or you can browse through and see what past boxes are available. You can also purchase just one-time boxes on their website, and they also have an artisan shop where you can purchase things as well. So they have so many cool things. I'm not even kidding when I say my entire house is full of GlobeIn stuff. Like I can look in front of me right now and I see something, like my plant in front of me is in a pot I got from GlobeIn. Yeah, I've got a lot of GlobeIn stuff. In my kitchen, beautiful plateware, all GlobeIn. But anyways, let's get into the box. So the box we're opening today is their bake box. So this is what the box actually looks like. And yeah, let's get it open. So when I open it up, everything is wrapped up nicely and there's a card on top, or like a pamphlet I should say. Oh, it's so pretty, the GlobeIn bake box. Doesn't that look so pleasant? The beautiful flowers, and they're baking something yummy. I love it. So inside there'll be a little note from one of the curators. So it says, "Dear Mavens, butter, biscuits, cookies, and cakes. It's always that time of year for your favorite ooey gooey goodies. Let your bake box serve up the perfect utensils for any and all crispy creations and delicious delectables, and bond with your loved ones over the cozy vibes of cooking." And then it goes into the items inside. Here's a little sneak peek. And then the rest of the pages go through each item and tell you where they're from and all that. So let's see what the first item is. Let me get this wrapping off. So they packaged it so well. So a lot of the items are in boxes here. Alright, so I have everything unwrapped. Let's start with the first item, and this is so pretty. So this is a ceramic sugar canister, and this is made in Morocco. I love the orange color of it. It's so beautiful. That's what the top looks like. Oh, and look, the bottom is actually signed by the artisan who made this. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So let's learn a little bit more about this. So the measurements are 6 by 4.5 inches or 7.5 inches tall with a lid. It's made with food-safe ceramics, and it says for care instructions to hand wash only. Again, this was made fair trade in Morocco, and it talks about the creator here. Abdelhak's life was turned around by working with the Sergini workshops. He started his career at an early age to support his parents. At 18, he joined the workshops under the tutelage of, sorry, I'm probably mispronouncing so many things, but he was trained at the traditional art of Moroccan ceramics, and years later he began known as one of the best painters in his city. At their workshop, it's all about loyalty and lineage, and now he is 50 years old and still working with the workshops. He has even traveled to Tunisia to train others in the techniques, and he receives a fair wage and full health care with retirement for his hard work. And suggested use is to fill with sugar or coffee for storage. I'm totally gonna do that. When they said sugar, at first I thought that, but I think I might put coffee grounds in here because I use way more of that than sugar. So this is so pretty. I love it. Next up, oh my god, oh so beautiful, look at this. This is a ceramic measuring cup, which is also made of fair wages in Morocco. So this is 1 cup and it's made with food safe ceramics, and it also says hand wash is recommended. And I forgot to show you the last page, but here they show pictures of the people that create it and everything. Oh my god, the colors are beautiful. It says the creator behind our new Moroccan measuring cup is one of our very favorite and talented artisans, Abdaslam. Again, I am so sorry if I'm mispronouncing anything. So let's see. He is well respected in the artisan community for his eye-catching ceramics with amazing quality. He was self-taught and his passion for pottery is apparent in his work. On top of his work as an artisan, he is a proud father and brother. He taught his 2 brothers the craft after his father passed on and was able to sustain their family business. He is very hands-on and passionate about his work, so much so that he has taught every single person working in his workshop himself. His workers are more like a family and they look up to him as a father and inspiration. The group of artisans led by him developed this measuring cup specifically with GlobeIn in order to bring their amazing work to the world stage. We hope you enjoy his careful craft. This is awesome. It's so pretty. I just love the colors of everything, the orange and blue. Next up, I'm super excited about this because I actually need these. We have some stainless steel measuring spoons. So there are 4 here, and they actually say what they measure. So 1/4 a teaspoon or 1.25 milliliters. I like how they have both on there. 1/2 a teaspoon or 2.5 milliliters, 1 teaspoon, 5 ml, and then the tablespoon is 15 ml. So they're all together here. I think it's great, and I love it. It's made from stainless steel, so these are dishwasher safe. That is great. These were handmade in India. And here, I'll show you the page I'm reading from so you can see one of the makers of this. It says, say hello to Dilshad Hussain. Again, I am sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. He lives with his wife and newborn daughter and works out of his workshop at home. He and his brother learned their craft from their father and have worked in metal craft for 13 years. He spends most of his time networking, managing artisans, arranging raw material, and getting to know fellow craftspeople in his trade. He's learned so much from his craft and states that working with Noah's Ark has given me opportunity to understand the market, the international value of my work, and share the good effects with my fellow artisans. He thanks you for your order. Eventually, with the money he makes from his craft, he hopes to start a school with his ancestral village in order to help other fellow community members out of poverty. Isn't that so great? I can't wait to use these. I seriously need them. I only have like a couple random ones, and like one I think I used to scoop out coffee. Like, you know, now that I'm gonna start baking, I could totally use that. And then next up, we have a French rolling pin. So this was handmade fair trade in Tunisia, and the measurements are 12 inches. Its ingredients is olive wood, and hand wash only and oil after use. And Natural Olive Wood is a family-owned business that handcrafts kitchenware from non-productive olive trees. Natural Olive Wood Inc. employs about 25 artisans in their wood shop in Tunisia. They offer above-average wages as well as paid time off, sick leave, and all medical and social security benefits that are standard compliance for businesses. Born and raised, brothers Hadam and Walid learned the art of carving the trunk of olive trees as children. Today, the brothers and their family produce naturally beautiful kitchen products, all boasting the distinct swirling patterns of the tree's twisted trunks. Non-porous by nature and coated in a protective layer of olive oil, natural olive wood products are safe and sustainable. Ramsey, who is photographed here, so you can kind of see him doing the work there, is their lead wood turner. He has worked with them for 3 years, and Ramsey works at the lathe machine, which makes all of our bowls as well as other round items. After the raw olive tree branches are cut into small squares, he uses them to lathe and turn the product at a very high speed. Using nothing but his tools and careful eye, he chips away at the square block, turning it into a smooth round bowl. This process takes many years of practice to master the art of carving. Awesome. I'm so inspired to bake, but we have one more item, and this is the Enamel mixing bowl. Again, I love it. All of the items go so well together, the white, blue, and the orange. So this enamel mixing bowl was handmade fair trade in India. The lead artisans who worked on your new mixing bowl are Mode and, well, they both have the same name, but they're different last names. Mode Reyes, age 27, and Mode Imran, age 25. You can see them there. And after Mode Reyes' father passed away, he decided to quit his studies in order to provide for his mother and 2 sisters. Mode Reyes is thankful to work with GlobeIn as he hopes to use the money he made on this project to pay for the marriages of his 2 sisters. Only after he has provided for his sisters, he also plans to get married. Life has not always been easy for Mode Imran as he switched from one workshop to another over his early career. However, he has found a home during the last 3 years working with Noah's Ark. Mode Imran's talent lies in product and sample development. Due to this project, Mode Imran has earned enough money to pay for his ailing parents for 4 months and simultaneously save some money towards his dream of buying a house and getting married. And suggested use, uses a mixing bowl for your batters, doughs, and salads. So that was everything that came in the box, and then on the last page in here, there's a recipe. White chocolate macadamia nut cookies. Okay, I need those. So it gives you all the ingredients, a list of instructions. You get 36 servings. Oh my god, how good does that look? I always film before like my first meal of the day and I am hungry. I need to make those, and I have everything I need to make it besides I have to get the ingredients, actual food, but mixing bowl, measuring spoons, rolling pin, measuring cup, and this sugar / coffee container. I think this was such a great box and will totally help me start baking more, develop a new hobby, and that's why I was so excited to share this with you guys today. The past few days I've been trying to share subscriptions that are perfect for the time, so to help you get by, stay busy, have fun, either by yourself or with your loved ones. Again, I'm going to link GlobeIn down below along with my promo code to save 50%. I'll also link down below my GlobeIn playlist so you can see all of the different boxes if you wish. I've opened so many before, but anyways, I hope you're all doing well. I love you so much. Thank you for unboxing this with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.